Conversion testing. Being good and getting better. After writing your sales pages, you are going to have several versions of the page, each of which will have a different level of effectiveness. Headlines, colored choices, PS statements, pictures, all of it's going to have a strong impact on the performance of the page. The best way to know which is going to perform best is by doing conversion testing. You will continue using the conversion testing method for gauging the performance of your different sales page variations and choosing which is superior. First of all, this helps you gauge exactly how good a piece is performing. Second, honing your projects over time is an excellent way to improve results for clients over time. What is conversion testing? Conversion testing for copywriters, also known as A/B testing for split testing, allows you to test different versions of a sales page to see which is going to look better on the web. Typically, half of the potential traffic will like one version, while another half of traffic likes the other version. Conversion testing lets you find out which is going to be the most beneficial and generate the most traffic. It is also used for improving your sales pages on a regular basis. The software application where you do the testing gives you different measurements for how effective the pages are. What does conversion testing look for? There are a number of things the testing process is going to check for. This includes checking the graphics on the sales page to see which one has better conversion rates, the positioning of elements such as the shopping cart, and on which page it is easier to access, the overall function of the sales page, and then deciding if fewer or more elements is going to be more beneficial. During conversion testing, each individual element of the different variations of sales pages is going to be checked, allowing you to pick and choose which elements are going to work the best. Why conversion testing is important. As a copywriter, you should consider yourself an internet marketer and, therefore, write your sales pages and other content as if you were the client. Put yourself in their shoes and let the conversion testing decide which version of content is going to perform more effectively. Not all copywriters utilize testing conversion rates, which is already putting you ahead of the competition. It will help improve interaction with the sales page visitors, get your visitors to remain longer on the site and take the time to read it more thoroughly, encourage newsletter signups and requesting consultations, and of course, improve the sale rate compared to how many visitors you get. This is sometimes the only way to be sure you get the interaction, views, and sales you need when you are in a target market that has a lot of competition. How to perform conversion testing. There are different software applications and testing platforms that are useful for conversion testing, but the Google Content Experiments, formerly Website Optimizer, is a good place to start. The Optimizer is a free and easy-to-use testing platform that lets you see the benefits or disadvantages of changes to different elements on each sales page. It is user-friendly and popular among most copywriters and internet marketers. An additional benefit to using Content Experiments is that it can be used with your existing URLs, instead of custom testing URLs like many other applications. You will first identify the pages you plan on testing, such as your different sales page variations. You will then define what element of the pages you want to test. You might want to test 2 different headlines, images, submit buttons, shopping carts, or call to actions. You will also use the optimizer to add tags to the different variation pages and see which perform better through tracking. Enter the URLs of the pages you are testing, preview the pages, which lets you see how they will look when live on a browser, and then rotate the pages with the optimizer platform for different visitors. Lastly, Content Experiments lets you access different statistics, results, and reports after testing the pages. What should be tested? Each element of the page is going to be tested individually, and you will decide which version is performing better. So what do you check? Just about every element on your sales page can be checked. Some of the important things you should test with the optimizer or other testing platforms are the headings and subheadings, opening paragraph, shopping cart and all links, call to action, guarantee section, special offers, submit button, images, the location of your elements, colors, design, and any other elements existing on the page. You should work roughly in that order. Your headline is going to have the biggest impact on the page's performance, so start with that. After testing multiple times, you will start picking and choosing which elements should be tested first for the highest level of effectiveness. Finishing the conversion testing. Different sales pages will be finished at different times. You may check one set of pages much less than the next for a reliable estimation of the traffic for those pages. Continue testing the pages and elements until you have at least 70 conversions. Some niche markets typically have a low customer volume in which 20 or more conversions is a good place to start. You should also consider ongoing conversion testing on pages that are to gain high traffic. It can take time getting the results you want, and you should continue testing the conversion rates and making adjustments as needed. Remember, not all tests will be as successful as others, which is why ongoing testing is imperative. You will soon get realistic adjustments to your pages that get you the highest amount of traffic and conversions possible. Track the results of the different tests on a spreadsheet to look back on and know which elements you want to retest.